And they're off. Sunday Sonnet out toward the inside. From the far outside, Slava's there. Magnificent Margot broke well, but is now reined in to sit back. And a headstrong Ancient Goddess as they race for the first turn. And Ancient Goddess caused a real kerfuffle there. Wide goes Partisan Politics. Wider yet was Magnificent Margot. Widest of all was Reina de Batteria. So after a rough and tumble first turn, it's Sunday Sonnet, the leader. 3/4 of a length. Slava out there runs along second by 2. Ancient Goddess races third, followed on the outside now by Partisan Politics, now 4th. Still hard to handle. Flying Teapot 5th toward the inside. Then Reina de Batteria and 3 lengths back to Magnificent Margot as the field moves up the backstretch run. With Sunday Sonnet establishing the pace. Slava prompting off the outside, running 2nd. And Ancient Goddess tucked away at the inside 3rd. Partisan Politics is now 4th. Flying Teapot now settles down about 6 lengths from the lead now. Then Reina de Batteria giving her cue, but no real response yet as they move into the far turn. Magnificent Margot trails the field as Sunday Sonnet still humming along. Able to get away with a 49 1/2 mile. Sunday Sonnet now opens that lead to 2.5 lengths. On the chase, Ancient Goddess runs in 2nd. Stopping abruptly is Slava. Partisan Politics swings into action on the far outside. Just in behind the lead, it's Ancient Goddess. Then Flying Teapot, Magnificent Margot, Reina de Batteria getting on track late in the game. There's 1 furlong to go, and Partisan Politics now in front. Partisan Politics a tap or 2 now, and she's on her way to a 3/4 of a length lead over Sunday Sonnet, the pacemaker, and then Ancient Goddess. It will be Partisan Politics, Javier Castellano, 3-length win. Sunday Sonnet 2nd, Ancient Goddess 3rd.